Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So now I would like to introduce myself at the front of the camera. So my name is Nurjid Romanus Bastian. I'm from Philippines. Then this is my friend. So now I'm studying. No, I'm here in Indonesia. I'm studying in Indonesia. So this is my first friend in my classroom. So please introduce yourself at the front of camera.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Hairul Rizal. I'm from Bojong and I'm pure Indonesian.
So this is pure Indonesia. This is so kind, guys. So now we need to create a video for my mid test examination for Mr. B. The subject is English speaking. So let's go making a new friend. 3, 2, 1. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
This is my first time to meet you and see you. What is your name?
My name is Rizal.
Rizal, your full name?
Yeah, Rizal is called.
Your nickname.
Yeah, nickname.
But your full name?
But full name is Muhammad Hairul Rizal.
Oh, Muhammad Hairul Rizal.
Yeah, that's
so
good.
my name is Nurjid Romanus Sebastian.
I call you.
Just call me Jed.
Just
Yeah.
call me.
So now I'm from Philippines. My city or my original country, and now I'm here in Indonesia because I'm studying here.
Your city in Philippines.
No, my city in Philippines. I'm from Davao City.
Davao City.
Yeah. So now I would like to ask about your hobby, if it's okay. So
It's okay.
yeah, what is your hobby?
My hobby is fishing.
Oh,
Maybe
fishing.
Yeah, fishing.
Fishing every day or every weekend?
Every weekend.
Oh, every weekend.
Yeah.
Because you have
Every day I'm tired.
You're tired.
Tired, bro. Because every day, fishing.
Oh, every day fishing. I see. And how old are you?
Older.
How old are you?
Yeah, I'm 20.
20 years old.
20 years old,
Oh,
maybe.
So then what is your major?
Major.
Yeah, major. Like for example, bahasa English.
Yeah,
English, bahasa
I'm
English.
major is speak English.
Oh, so
Yeah.
you choose
About
English
you.
education.
Yeah, English education.
So wow, we are same.
Same.
Yeah, we are same. So maybe we can see each other again if the studying started. Yeah, and then now I would like to ask you about what is your favorite things?
Favorite things.
Yeah, or important things to your life. Like
Our
cell phone.
favorite person.
No, favorite things first. Like
Favorite
cell phone or
my favorite things, maybe is pencil,
pencil. Why?
Pencil. Because pencil drawing for imagination.
Oh, you are drawing for imagination based on your mind, yeah?
Yeah.
And then you can put the caption or history.
About you.
So, we're talking about my favorite things in my life. So, my favorite things in my life is this one, cell phone.
Cell phone.
Yeah, because this gadget is so very important. This gadget can help you about your studying, and you can learn about bahasa Indonesia or Indonesian language, You can use Google Translator or everything. You can use everything from cell phone. You can contact your parents in another country, and you can send money or transfer bank. Everything you can use your cell phone for everything, but we need to manage our time for using cell phone because cell phone is so dangerous if we use this too much.
Yeah.
And this is my favorite things. So now I know what is your favorite things in your life, and then now we talk about your favorite person in your life.
My favorite person in life, yeah, my mother.
Your mother.
Yeah,
Why?
because my mother is so strong woman.
Oh, strong woman.
Yeah,
And then
and so very beautiful.
oh,
I think
beautiful.
about that. Yeah, very
Beautiful, yeah.
beautiful. Yeah.
And then your mother help you about your financial problem
Yeah,
or
financial.
give you money allowance for studying and care about yourself, care about your health, right?
Yeah, right.
Oh,
How about you? What is your favorite person?
my favorite person actually we are same.
Same.
Yeah, we are same. My favorite person in my life is my mother. Yeah, because mother is everything. Yeah, everything. Mother stand by a person in your life, and they care about your life, about your health, and your mother is no my mother is always tell me about just take care always, and you can do that, you can achieve your goals, then just achieve your dreams or fulfill your dreams. And also my mother tell me about be kind, be kind all for all people, or be a good man. So now that is my favorite person in my life, my mother.
1 hour later. A few moments later.
So now the last one is describing your dream job or telling your dream job. What is your dream job? So let's go. So now this is the last video or the last task for our mid examination. So the last one is, what is your dream job? So I want to tell first about my dream job. I want to be a businessman one day. Why I want to be a businessman one day? Because I think businessman is the key of my success in my life. But in my own opinion, not to other opinion, but it's up to you. What do you want to choose in your dream or in your future job? But for me, I want to be a businessman, or I want to be a good businessman. But I think it's so hard for me because I don't know how to handle money, or how to be how to become a businessman, because I need to learn how to be a businessman. But I'm still learning about business, and I'm still learning about engaging money or depositing money in bank, or what is my business, inshallah. Then now I would like to speak my friends about his dream job soon that he want to achieve in her life,
My dream job,
in his life.
my dream job that I want to achieve is to be a lecturer because I want to teach student what I learned when I was studying, or how to be a strong student and avoid weakness to fulfill the dream. I think about that.
Wow. So you want to be a lecturer one day, yeah?
Yeah.
So what do you want? What do you want to do, or what do you do to achieve that dream? So you need to study harder, focusing study, yeah.
Yeah, focus.
Yeah, focus in study, never give up. Semangat ya.
Semangat, strong.
Yeah, so that is the task of our midterm examination test for Mr. B. It's too long video, but thank you for watching. Or if you watch this, I hope you learned about this video. You earned lesson or what, or maybe inspiration. So that's it. That's for all video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.